Today, I'll show you how to submit ticket in GCash. First, open the GCash app on your phone. Make sure you are signed in to the GCash account that has the issue. Once you are on the home screen, tap Profile at the bottom right corner. Now scroll down and look for Help. Tap Help to open the GCash Help Center. Here you may see common topics like account verification, cash in, cash out, send money, bills payment, card issues, or transaction concerns. Choose the topic that matches your problem. For example, if your money was deducted but the transaction did not go through, choose the topic related to transactions or payments. If you cannot access your account, choose the account or login issue category. After selecting a topic, read the help article first. GCash may show possible solutions before letting you submit a ticket. If the article does not solve your problem, look for a button or link that says Submit a ticket, Contact us, or Need more help. Tap it. Now fill out the form with the required details. Enter your concern clearly. Add important information like the transaction date, amount, reference number, mobile number, merchant name, and a short explanation of what happened. If you have screenshots or receipts, upload them as attachments. Before submitting, review all details carefully. Make sure your contact information is correct so GCash can update you about your case. Then tap Submit. After submitting, you should receive a ticket number. Save this ticket number because you may need it when following up. You can check updates by going back to the Help Center or checking your email and SMS notifications. So, to keep it simple, open GCash, go to Profile, tap Help, choose your issue, open the related article, tap Submit a ticket if available, fill out the form, attach proof, and submit. And that's how you submit ticket in GCash. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.